When it comes to making dinner, nothing beats a recipe that uses off-the-shelf ingredients, is easy to make, and that tastes great. That's why today we're making a dish that combines fresh veggies with a convenient frozen shortcut. It's a tasty Mediterranean classic that's weeknight easy. The first thing we do is prepare a package of frozen cheese-stuffed ravioli according to the package instructions. We'll let that drain. And in some olive oil, we'll cook fresh tomatoes and onions that we've chopped, along with some garlic, oregano, and a bit of salt and pepper. After the tomatoes start to break down a bit, we add in the cooked ravioli, fresh spinach, and a few black olives. When the spinach starts to wilt, it's ready to serve. It doesn't get any easier. A little crumbled feta cheese goes on top, and that's it. You've got a fancy tasting restaurant classic that's 5-star worthy. To get the recipe for our Mediterranean ravioli with feta, all you have to do is visit our website. As for the taste, well, the ravioli are crazy tender. The sauce is packed with flavor, and the cheese gives it just the right tang. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a rave-worthy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.